I saw that video. Oh, you know well, Omo, where's so much every? Says it. Where's so much memory me out here? Ke. Una jevere, ni mame kena emine. Na harima e unima. Ijo. Ijo wa bakara yese o. Wa jeva. Wa we me hia tare ni se gbe yata. Wa me mi me je olukan. Ijo no we ani ki no bakara yese. Who is that person? Who is that person of bakara yese? Seriously? Ahara. Ugbe yese. Don't go there. Oh, I'm not ignorance to Akara. I am not ignorance to Akara. Udo Bakara yese. Anywhere here. Sabo me like when Bakara yese. Ijo. Mata. You know we say una jemere. Oma vi me. Oma no televe no jenu. Aya mi oma no we mi no ma. Ikpo mo. E no ya me to we video na. Iwe ni to pon me. Easy obede wo wesi. Yeah. Mate back money put me akara ni wakara we might say. Ije o. Mani put wa miamiane. Ize gbe wa ma. Wesi. U de water. I wa we. Uwa miamiakara we. I wa we. Ishoti piani buki agogojo. We ma bakara yese. Ikpiani bu. Iye ki agogojo we ma bakara yese. I wawe akara. Ejime. Enu wajia. Now, do why soma gwa lo akaru wa. Emani puparo. Okay, ishot wa akpon akara we. Le di agbe. Wa akara me mi orue. Akara me mi orue. Akara me mi orue. Akara me mi orue. Mi orue wume. Akara me mi orue wume. Orue wume do yakpon mo akara me na. Ruda we umazun tan. Come akara so akara asakara. Akara wasakara. Ejeba o. Wa gi omume o. Eri me we awe sagime se saga me ri wa we. Eri we se. Eri wa we se. Akara. Amasa. Lao de obakara ri gbuwe. O ma gbo ma me o. Do obakara gbe me so. Wala go akara why we may say England. Jeme. Akara ye we may say. Me take how we me am your door. Akara more your door me. What are you talking about? When I want what matter. Akara sakara. After Omeva. Jeme. Akara sakara. Why if you look back Akara anyhow? Why Jeva? Why Jeva? Ma yani wa la jun mana we la tian ma me e wakara sakara e boya we alele anomu go no a me lele bone e we ti ruo my time ni so no me ya bi me na ye tizin avulo me ko me lele bone ne onwa ne ku lele amaze sisi e bo e wi ya lo e bo yi ye ti talo e wi ya okwana mo yin me ma odi chore e ya lo epoji yes now e mani yen e ya lo epoji we are de kwebueso o ma ono fian because akara sakara that's the truth obun we seje e mu fie ba we seje not me Ago. No problem. Okay, come on. Bye, love. So, akara sakara, my people, why gui? Even in son of me, yeah, with you on the scene. Yeah, well, I see, Monaco no sense. Akara, what sakara? Is Jerame no Joe? What's it body ray? And that's waro. Ija. He could that Yaguao. Why women an image here? Where ya only 10 men on she, Eya Isaga, and one, Eya Kota, Akara Sakara. If yes, so, a dare be 1 little Yakara so, Akara no Zap no Magua. What's it going to say? What do I if you're going so, yeah, few back here, Akara Akarogato, and Akara akara ogedo. Ozak bono mayane. Ozak bono mayane. Awi me ajak bonriabe. Ruda harime. Rudu eyorime. Ale ru no viedo. Niye de conviedo. Eyo wena bata. Ale ru we niye de conviedo. Yes. Akara sakara, my dear sister. La wo. Wakima. Wakiwa we saga with me. Why Joja Nakara? Why Jeba? Abe ekunobia kanije. Hey tao. Why man? We don't why ataloy. You only play video. Okay? I don't need to play a video before I can speak. I don't need to. When he put me a video in a video zebe. I finish her work. She did it in her own style. It's not my business. And I'm doing my own with my own style. But I pick many points. She makes sense. A lot of things may not make sense to some of you because of the kind of the area you watch it from. You know, both of us can see the same video. We might not see it in the same way. We have different motives. That's the way life is. Don't forget, I'm the one that always say, you need to see life in two ways. Life is two ways. Life is two ways. A matured, sensible human being should picture life in two ways. Life will never go in the way you predict. Life will never go the way you predict. Life is two way. That's life. If you want to live long, if you want to have peace of mind, sorry, when it be commenting on ma, uju wa ami, when it be negative comment, also one or the one wa ya agree say, but I'm not reading the comments. But maximum respect to those of you that have a positive mindset. I love you all. But those of you that have a negative mindset, I am praying for you. Don't worry. I'm going to declare fasting for you tomorrow, for God to open your mindset, for you to know you are harming yourself. You are not harming me. You can't harm me. Your comment cannot move one single hair from my body. So that's it. Maximum respect to you all anyway for watching. So the truth has to be told. I was so pissed off. I said, who is insulting Akara? Anihino Guakaragua? No now. Despite where my sodoare Facebook, social media, Magima Temata now. Akara Zak bono mai bonopun. De Akara no paye dore. De Akara no paye dore la webo. No do Zak bono mai ekpianipun. Ikwonipun. Ojino gare dore re. Eyera me no joy. Eri yana jia. Meme why so e demo nyime o? Why so e demo nyime? E mata. De Akara no pun. Ave kuno bioka ni je ni kala Italy. Ni pari webo. Uswe so ni me abije abokpoko ni je ni pari webo use no gareto o ibiri no akara no se no we should not go there. No, please. I mean na yaku, don't go there at all. Well ado idiots ane akara wuda we akara ya wina wuda akara ya wina. I'm just saying it. In a way, I feel like saying it. That's me. You can't tell me it's your type because that's why she have her own style. We all have our style in Mayala. A style man him. De akara. E monipulishe square na akara ze. E mweso. Me jere ke bena la webo. In la webo fo. O ime na so akon e miame. E miame. E ga mu ko ime no kuya. From one admission to admission. Here no joke. They are Caribbean amigo. But why the best try no sesini? Why provoking it? Why down again? They are Hara. Yan amigo near about homo. Eh? Me name a fever can bene. A fever. Typhoid fever. On highway story. A man is sick, man. People I know about. People I know about. It's common typhoid fever. Took the life of their daughter. By now, maybe that girl could have been a mother now. Nigga, your gear or that girl was older than my son. So if my son is 26 now, that girl's supposed to be 27, 28. All I want done it. What killed that young girl years ago? Common typhoid fever.